Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Poco X7. For that you will need the settings for. So just scroll down here right next to the camera, and then you are here at the control center, and the part of the control center is here the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you will need the first point about phone. On the new software version it is named My Device. So tap on about phone or My Device. And now go down at the point OS version for Poco, and you need to tap now this OS version for Poco for 7 times. It doesn't matter if it's more, but below you can see already a countdown, and then after 7 times the developer options are enabled here at the phone. But where to find them now? Tap here on the arrow to be back in the general settings, and now you need to scroll down to the point additional settings, and almost at the end of the list you will find now the developer options. Now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging or so much more. And if you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable the developer options here on top, just like that, and they will disappear. But you can have them always back by just tapping 7 times on the OS version number for Poco as I've shown you before. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.